Welcome to my ET402 capstone project. This is my simple alarm system. If you enter 4 A's, it'll arm the system. If you enter 4 asterisks, it'll ask you for a master password, which you can enter. You enter your new password. We're going to hit 4 A's again to verify that the password took. We're going to enter our password. Okay. Now the next step is we're going to open the door. We're going to arm it again. It recognizes this door open. It starts to count down. We're going to let it count down so you can see the alarms. Door, disarm it, open the window, arm it. Armed. It realizes the window open, has you enter a password, immediately tells you it alarms. Disarm.